Hi, I'm Graham Porter, and I'm here to tell you about the Virtual Robotics Training Academy. One of the big challenges facing us right now is that students who want high-tech jobs are not sure about which skills they're going to need in order to get them. And in the high-tech workforce, employers are often concerned that students are not coming out of school with the skills that they need to go right onto the job. The VRTA sits in the middle of these two groups, leaning on industry to help us create challenges that are then delivered to students, who in turn show industry that they have practical capabilities to solve the problems in their business. The three main areas that VRTA focuses on are robotics and automation, programming, and cybersecurity. These tools form the foundation of most high-tech jobs in the modern economy. The VRTA is an online platform that allows students of all ages to learn practical STEM skills through the use of simulators. These can simulate anything from a 3-axis robotic arm on an assembly line, to an autonomous vehicle navigating a maze, to an aerial or aquatic drone, to a local area network that needs to be hardened for cybersecurity. Any of these practical STEM-related exercises that are applicable in the real world can be simulated on the VRTA platform in a way that allows students of all ages to learn these important real-world skills. While students are fully capable of learning these skills on their own, the VRTA is also compatible with a school environment so that teachers can see real-time reports on student activities, inspect the current state of their simulations, and provide marks and other useful feedback. If you're a teacher or educator and are interested in how VRTA could help your school, please visit our website at vrtaonline.com.